Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. If it's your first time stopping by, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of spring black lip liner lipstick looks. I know spring is a couple months away from today, but you know, why not get excited right now and start creating some potential lipsticks that you guys can rock in the springtime. So without further ado, let's roll this tape. I'm going to start off by applying the black lip liner. I got this lip liner from CVS. It's actually by LA Girl. It was $2. So you can grab any lip liner, any black lip liner that works, and you will be able to achieve the looks that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this black liner. Now I have the black lip liner on. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a lip stain, and this is by Stila Cosmetics, and this is called Pitstop. So it's a pinkish, plumish lip color that I'm going to go ahead and apply. So I set off in the center of my lips like this, and then just go around. So what I'm trying to do is smudge the black liner with the lipstick together. This is the first lip look. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty dope, actually. And it's going with my head wrap situation. I'm totally loving it. First lip color, let's give it a name. I'm thinking Cocoa Plum. Actually, that's a Jamaican restaurant in Aruba, so Cocoa Plum it is. This lip color, Cocoa Plum. Tell me if you like it. Thumbs up. Let me know down below if you love this one. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off and then apply the next lip color. For the next black lip liner lipstick look that I'm going to create, I will be using Lady Danger by MAC. And this is a very vibrant orange color that I've used so many times on here. So you guys have seen me create looks with it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply it. And if you notice when I'm applying the lipsticks, I'm not going into the black liner. I'm actually applying the lipstick in the areas where I do not apply the liner. And then I just smudge the two colors together with my lips. This is the other look. Very different. These black lip liner lipstick looks actually remind me of Halloween makeup, which is very vampy, very dark and loud. So anyways, this is the second color, and I think we should call this Thunder Orange. Thunder Orange. Yep, that's what we're gonna call this one. So the next black lip liner lipstick look that we're going to create is with Smoked Purple by MAC. This is going to be a very vampy lip look because Smoked Purple is already a very dark and vampy lip color itself, so this should be an interesting look. Okay, so this is such a dark color. I think we should call this Vampy Purple. It's such a dark color. Oh my gosh. Like, this screams Halloween, you know? So dark, so bold. I love it. What do you guys think? So with the final look, I'm going to use an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and this is called Summer Vibes. This look is actually going to give you that classical black lip liner lipstick look that people used to rock in the 90s. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip pencil. And now I am going to go ahead and apply the lip gloss. Ooh, what do you guys think? Oh my god, this look right here is what gives me 90s black lip liner lipstick. Oh my gosh, it's taking me way back, way back when. So I love this. What do you guys think about it? The lip gloss that I use has a little bit of glitter in it, so it just makes the look pop a little bit more. But you can always opt for a plain lip gloss that doesn't have glitter. It's just, you know, personal preference. Well guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop some comments down below. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel. It really means the world. And also don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.